everything else. It's like you work in minor league baseball. You wear many hats.
I do feel like that sometimes, actually.
And you are from the Northern Appalachian Folk Festival.
That's right.
Here on the Peces Dorados. Did you know that we have $1 off walking tacos every Peces Dorados game?
Oh, hey, I'll have to tell my group. $1 off pop tacos, guys. Section 108, don't forget.
Yeah,
okay.
Walking tacos. I know they're available at Stand 1 for sure.
That's right.
But enough about walking tacos, Judy. Let's talk about the Folk Festival. You guys were here last year.
We were.
And you're here this year, clearly, because I'm not talking to myself.
No, you're not talking to yourself. Although I have been told you do that a lot.
I do okay. Do that.
All right.
So, you know, I'm a big folk fan. I like folk music.
Right.
And I wasn't able to attend the festival last year because we had home games. But this year, we are away. It's the September 5th and 6th, correct?
September 6th and 7th.
All right, so that's a day. We're still not home on the 5th and 6th.
All right, well, you can do the 6th, but come over on the 7th, too.
Yeah,
because that is my birthday.
Oh, well, happy birthday.
Thank you. Then, not now.
What? Why not? That's
okay.
It's early.
Okay, yeah.
I might not see you. You're the treasurer, vice president, and everything else.
Oh, I could be running around, but more traveling around in our golf cart.
That's true. But you know, we're talking about this festival. We haven't talked about what it is. So tell us a little bit about what the Northern Appalachian Folk Festival is.
Okay, well, this is the 11th year of the Northern Appalachian Folk Festival. We are more than just a festival, more than just a music festival, but we have a ton of music this year. We have music both Friday night and Saturday, starting at noon until 10 o'clock at night, and we have 2 stages this year. It is action-packed.
Clearly, it's folk music, but it's not just folk music.
Folk music is a term, you see.
Yes, it is.
It is. But folk can be lots of different things. So with that, we have the Howling Mob, which is folk music. We have a band called, well, we got our key bands this year are Bindley Hardware and the Common Heart out of Pittsburgh. So they are both groups that have been turning it up a lot. They're great groups, they're wonderful, very seasoned musicians, and we're looking forward to having them at the Folk Festival this year. If you want to find out every band that is performing, you go to our website, which is naffinc.org, NAFFINC.org.
The second F is silent.
The second F has to be silent. But that is not all we do. Honestly.
I know, I was going to ask you, what else do you do besides just the performances?
We have the Storytellers and Liars contest. We have a fiddle contest. We can have cash prizes for them. We have judging. We have a juried art show. We have the Historical Society, which is Historical and Genealogical Society of Indiana County. And we have the genealogist will be there. We have a workshop on the Underground Railroad. We have Children's Alley. We have lots of different workshops and the Walk of Fame, where we honor lots of different folks that have passed away typically. We have someone who's in the arts, humanities, sports. It's all on the website.
So when you say festival, it's a festival. It's like, it runs the gamut between music, vendors, activities, all kinds of stuff.
We have demonstrations this year on everything from chair caning to weaving to quilting to a chainsaw dude that's gonna, do tree stumps or whatever and turn them into artwork. So we're gonna do all kinds of stuff.
Honestly, it's not quilting, that'd be difficult.
Well, that would be Mimi's position, but she would probably let him come over and do it too.
Chainsaw quilting, maybe look into that for next year.
I'm willing to try anything.
Awesome. All right, so you mentioned the website. Is there any other place, I mean, you guys are here tonight, but other than that, where else can Cure fans get information on the festival?
We have a lot of different things going on. We have our Instagram page. We also are, of course, on Facebook. So all of our social media. We are located in Indiana, Pennsylvania, which of course is the hometown of Jimmy Stewart and many other very prominent entertainers from our area. Did you know that too?
I do know that. We go to the parade up there every year for Christmas.
That's right. It's a great time.
Yeah, Loco runs through. It's all kinds of things.
I know. I've seen Loco do lots of things.
But now we're going to start talking about Indiana as the folk festival capital of the region.
I think so. I mean, we have all of our local craft beers that come. We have also wineries, we have disobedient spirits. So we have adult beverages that are available. You just need to get a wristband, kind of like what you guys do here.
That's legal.
That does make it legal.
Yeah, Ramp and the PLCV like that.
They do. They like us to be very transparent.
It's true.
That's true.
Yeah.
So with that, we have a lot of different arts and crafts vendors. We may have jugglers this year. We may have the baton twirlers again with fire. So, maybe kids want to learn.
All kinds of stuff at the Northern Appalachian Folk Festival. Judy Holliday, thank you again for being here and helping us put on the game tonight.
I appreciate it.
Have a good time. Enjoy the colorfulness that is the Paces
What a great
Dorados.
night.
It is. It's a very good night. All right, Kurt fans, we got some stuff to do down on the field, like first pitches.
We have a birthday for that one.
That's on my list.
Okay.
We'll see you down there to take care of all that.
Great. Thank you.